Instagram hashtags explained. Organically grow your followers with powerful hashtags. Instagram hashtags are everywhere. Log into Instagram and they are all you will see. In fact, hashtags can make or break your Instagram strategy. If you use them correctly, more people will notice your post and you will be able to grow your followers organically. Even if hashtags don't appear to be important right now, they are in fact important. You risk losing potential followers and being penalized by Instagram's algorithm if you misuse hashtags. When you first start exploring the hashtag world, you will encounter several questions such as what are the most popular hashtags and how many hashtags should I use? To effectively use Instagram hashtags, you must first understand how they work. We have got you covered thankfully. In today's video, we have provided an ultimate guide to Instagram hashtags. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Instagram hashtags explained 2021. Number 1. What are Instagram hashtags? A hashtag is nothing but a combination of letters and numbers preceded by the hashtag symbol. For example, hashtag Instagram. Instagram hashtags are used to categorize content on the social media giant and to make posts more discoverable. Instagram hashtags are clickable. Therefore, whoever clicks on an Instagram hashtag or searches for the particular Instagram hashtag can see a page showing all the posts tagged with the hashtag. Number 2. Why should you use Instagram hashtags? Now coming to the more important part. Why should you use Instagram hashtags anyway? If you are new to the Instagram game, you may not know or understand how Instagram hashtags work. There is a reason why a majority of business pages or creator profiles on Instagram include hashtags on their posts or create their own hashtags. These hashtags are an easy way to expand your reach. They are also a great way of building a community online so that people are motivated to engage with your brand and learn more about you. Here are a few reasons why hashtags are so important. Hashtags make your content easier to find. Thus, they make your post discoverable. Think about all the time you spend trying to curate the perfect post for Instagram. Now, if you don't want the legwork to go to waste, use hashtags. Users can discover new content by searching for hashtags. Therefore, ignoring Instagram hashtags means making your post more difficult to be discovered or limiting your reach. Hashtags increase audience engagement. According to Instagram Statistics 2021, posts that include at least one hashtag can score more engagement than those posts that feature none. Followers like to engage with hashtags. This is why most brands create their own hashtags and promote them. This creates an organic opportunity for a brand to become more visible. Hashtags can make you aware of industry trends. Want to know what kind of posts are trending on Instagram? Use hashtags. In fact, consistently following tags can help you keep a close eye on your competitors along with what your audience is saying about your brand. Number 3. What kind of hashtags to use? Product hashtags. These are generic hashtags that describe your product or service, such as hashtag bridal makeup or hashtag cupcakes, etc. Instagram community hashtags. Communities are a thing on Instagram. Hashtags can help you find communities related to your industry and join them. Some popular community hashtags on Instagram are hashtag crafters of Instagram, hashtag bakers of Instagram, hashtag bookstagram, hashtag puppies of Instagram, hashtag gardeners of Instagram, etc. Seasonal or special event hashtags. These hashtags refer to holidays or seasons, such as hashtag National Ice Cream Day, hashtag National Bikini Day, hashtag International Kissing Day, etc. Niche hashtags. Niche hashtags are more specific hashtags. They cater to the context of your industry. For example, hashtag food blogger, hashtag phone case shop, hashtag nails design, hashtag tie-dye fashion, etc. Daily hashtags. Daily hashtags are a huge thing on Instagram. If you are looking for an easy source of hashtags to add to your Instagram post, try hashtags such as hashtag Monday Blues, hashtag Throwback Thursday, hashtag Sunday Funday, hashtag Woman Crush Wednesday, etc. Acronym hashtags. Acronym hashtags are some of the most well-known and popular hashtags on Instagram. These include hashtag TBT for Throwback Thursday, hashtag OOTD for Outfit of the Day, hashtag TMI for Too Much Information, hashtag YOLO for You Only Live Once, etc. Location hashtags. Apart from geotag, it is still a great idea to include hashtags that tag your location. For example, hashtag London Eats, hashtag Canada Food, hashtag Indian Diaries, hashtag Philly Beauty, etc. Relevant phrase hashtags. These hashtags combine niche hashtags, community hashtags, and product hashtags. Basically, these are hashtags, phrases that users use to connect to communities of like-minded people on Instagram. For example, hashtag She Said Yes, hashtag Am Writing, hashtag She Who Bakes. Emoji hashtags. These are hashtags that include emojis along with words or phrases. Number 4. How many hashtags should you use? Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags on a post and not more than 10 on a story. If you try to include more than the allotted number, your caption won't post. But just because you can use 30 hashtags doesn't mean you should use them. Even though there is no right amount of hashtags, the consensus is 11. Anything more than 15 can look a bit tacky. This is everything you need to know about Instagram. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.